Hi everyone! Tonight I'm gonna show you how I cook garlic chili prawn. Here is our ingredients. We need half kilo of prawn. We need 2 pieces of tomato, 1 head of garlic. We need 2 pieces of chili, and we need 1 medium size of onion, and we need 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. First thing we need to do, turn on the heat. Let's wait till the pan is hot. I preheated this. Our pan is already preheated. We put some olive oil. Because olive oil is healthy, so I use this. Then the butter. Then we saute the garlic first until light brown or medium brown. Just to have the aroma of the garlic. When it's a little bit medium brown, you put the onion. And then we follow the tomatoes. And also our chili. Just saute until our tomatoes is cooked. Not overcooked, just medium cooked. Then we put our tomato paste. When our tomato paste is melting, we put the prawn. This is a lower heat. Then we put a little pepper and our salt to taste. Keep on stirring. Keep on mixing. Then we put a little water to cook our shrimps or our prawn. You can use also shrimp for this recipe. Then simmer for 5 minutes. Then I forgot to tell you, I put breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup. Just wait till the sauce is thickened. And here it is. Our chili prawn is cooked and done. We can serve it. Just put on the plate. Here how I put on the plate to make it nice. Mm. The taste of the prawn is nice, and the mix and the bread, and then you cannot taste the garlic. Mm. It's yummy and delicious. It's, it's not so spicy because I just put 2 chili. But it's up to you if you want more spicy, or if you want to less spicy, just add the chili, or if you want less spicy, just reduce the chili, or if you don't want spicy, don't put the chili. I hope you like this video, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. See you on my next video. Bye.